Hi guys, okay, Boomerz here.
Hello there.
Michał and Eva, and we have those 6 beautiful tins that you could already see. First part, we already opened them. We took out the package, the boosters to save some time, and we were scammed. Like, very bad surprise. One of the tin, the Articuno tin, got only 4 boosters instead of 5, and it happened one time when we were not filming the actual opening. So yeah, that's unfortunate, I guess. I mean, we'll try to reach out to the shop. It's not the shop's fault, it's Pokemon Company's fault, but we'll try to reach out anyway and see if we can do anything. Okay, but let's go to the opening. So we will have the Battle of the Birds today. Battle of the Birds of a Galarian Legendary Bird. We will open 10 packs. Okay, 10 packs for Moltres and Zapdos, 9 packs for Articuno, and they will be competing in 3 different categories.
Yes. What are the categories?
So category number 1 will be for the best pull. So one single card which is the best, and it will be decided by the position on our list, which we prepared before. Category number 2 will be the total amount of value of pulls, and category number 3 would be the amount of cards that we still need for our Crown Zenith binder.
Because Crown Zenith binder is, you actually want like a base set of Crown Zenith.
Master set.
Master set.
This is called Master set. Yeah, I want to try to get a Master set at least, so yeah, that's it. Let's have a quick look on the promo cards and then let's go straight to the opening. Let us know which one is your favorite, guys.
Mine is Articuno, without a doubt. And which one is yours?
Mine is Articuno too. Okay, let's show guys the codes as well. Yeah, so these are the codes for those promos, if you want them, in the online game. Okay, that's done, promos shown. Let's start with Articuno.
Dum, dum, dum. Okay, so I already have the packs here and I'm gonna open 4.
Yeah, this is really... we know that this situation happens. Yeah, Pokemon Company quality control is not always, top level, but always bad when it happens to you.
I haven't done it in a while, so I don't know if I remember how to do a card trick. We will see.
No, you did it really good. And out of those 29 cards, I would say that I would really like to get like at least 15 hits. And Kyogre.
And we didn't have this.
No, we didn't have this one. So this is the first hit for Articuno.
Alright.
The warm up. And guys, keep your fingers crossed for Articuno. This poor guy has 1 booster less than his friends, so
it would be good for him to have some cool things.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's gonna be just sad. Mr. Mime, Sunken.
Okay. Nothing really.
This one is reverse.
Yeah. And it may be needed for the binder. I'll check it later. I mean, you are probably already seeing the counter, as I will edit in a editing phase, but.
Alright. Side and now. 3, 4. Card check and G. Candy. I don't remember what you're missing from the Master set.
Oh, I don't remember it either. I know the big hits, which...
Ooh. This is one of them, and this is also on the wish list.
Yeah, this was on our wish list, and this is a card that we really needed and really didn't have before, and it's extra cute, so yeah. Miltank is a great hit.
Yeah, it was definitely on my short list.
Yeah, so at least in this one category, Articuno is looking really well. And so far, 4 packs to hit, 3 packs to hit. So, yeah.
So now it's the last one for that I'm going to open. And this.
Yeah, so this is the last pack from this little tin.
Yeah.
From Articuno, the 4-pack tin.
I don't think you have this one before. It's not acceptable.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
could be better, but could be worse.
Yeah,
Like,
it was.
Milk Tank is definitely on the wish list, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so now the second bird, which is.
Moltres.
Oh, sorry. Moltres. Let's see if Moltres is better than.
Well, Moltres had 5 packs in each tin, so that's already a little bit better.
Yeah, his chances are higher.
Yeah. Chances are higher, but Articuno still did okay. 2 hits from 4 packs. 2 hits from 4 packs is really it's okay. Very, very good even. And if it were 2 hits from 5 packs, it would still be acceptable result. So
yeah. Plus, it also got like points for having what we wanted. So
yeah, it's really high on that
Yeah.
competition.
and let's see what's in here. Lunaton
And Zacian V.
okay. We didn't have that.
We didn't have that one. No.
So first pack, first hit.
I mean, we're Team Articuno, but
Yeah, but
we want everyone to win. Every bird.
we want the best card.
We have a
so
very fierce competition. This is what we want.
Yeah, exactly. Like we like Articuno the most, but if this is what he had to offer, then I'm hoping that other bird might win.
Yeah, and also this will be like our okay,
Ooh.
Deoxys. Nice. Third
Nice.
copy.
Third copy.
Yeah, I mean the second one is already sold, but yeah.
They keep changing the way the codes are placed. I'm trying my best, and then the same thing all over again. Unfortunately, feet of coughing.
Ooh, Solrock, very, very nice Solrock.
Yeah. Is it going to replace something in your deck?
No,
Too nice of a card.
too nice of a card to be played.
Maybe it has some treasure inside.
Hopefully. And Moltres is on fire so far. 3 hits. 3 hits from 3 packs.
Did it have a hit in another pack?
Yeah, it was Zacian, then it was Solrock, and it was Deoxys. So yeah. 3 hits.
Nice. Nice stats.
Oh, yeah. No Galarian Gallery, I guess.
No.
And no hit. Okay.
Well,
Wait.
but it's a cute doggy.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this time I got it right.
No, this time they got it right.
This time they-
You are always right.
Mr. Always Right.
I remember when we said it on the video.
I remember that too. Do you remember?
Good memories.
Okay. I don't think there is. Okay.
There's a Hollow Fire Energy,
Yeah.
reverse Hollow, so not bad. And Hollow Absol. I'm pretty sure we didn't have Absol yet.
Okay. And do you have this energy?
Yes,
No.
I believe I do. But it was four packs, 5 packs for 5
Hits.
packs this time, and 4 hits.
Yes.
So really, really good.
And the Angry Chicken.
Yeah, let me show him. Angry Chicken. Look like he's running.
Alright, so Angry Chicken, what do you have? So you have a dog that I've already seen.
And I believe it has a reverse Hollow Trainer card. I believe this is what it was, but let's hope I'm wrong.
Let's hope.
Let's hope I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Ooh, I was
You were
very wrong. Very wrong.
Yeah.
So Zapdos starts with Charizard. Radiant Charizard, very
Yeah.
nice.
Try not to spoil anything. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, like you spoiled that reverse Hollow Trainer with the previous pack, right, guys? We like these
Well,
spoilers.
I don't know what you saw there, but looks guess it's going to be very difficult to beat this when it comes
to this category
most
with
wanted.
most wanted from our we have this Pikachu. We have not opened it from the pack before, but I bought it. I couldn't resist it, but it still counts for the competition, you know. Yeah, this will be tough to beat. I hope it's beat, of course.
Yeah.
It wasn't number one.
Wasn't, so
Lapras was number one in this category.
You still have chance.
Yeah, and there's also Leafeon from the rarer part. Yeah, we haven't opened anything from the rarer part of Galarian Gallery yet, so I hope it will come. And if we want to shoot for the master set, we would have to open one of the 3 biggest cards in this opening. So Mewtwo, what is the worm name? Giratina or Arceus.
So we have Dialga.
Yeah, we have Dialga, we have Palkia, but we don't have these. Okay, and now we have Zeraora.
Yeah,
Not the card we were missing, but...
Okay, have the code.
Yeah, the code is here. This is the code.
No, I don't think I have anything. Execute and
Hop. We have him. So
yeah. The last one.
yeah, last one for Zapdos. And I'm pretty sure Zapdos is already leading at this point in all competitions.
But it all can be turned upside down.
Yeah.
Because 2, 3, 4 have. I'm only going to open half. So there is still going to be the other half.
Yeah, the other half is still there. And just a thought, we have not opened a full art trainer yet. Also, this is like not a single one. Oh, okay.
Okay, that's
I guess we have Lycanroc.
yeah. Alright, so that was it for my part.
Okay, guys, so I will do it in a reverse order. So I will start with Zapdos. And so this is the first pack of second tin of Zapdos. And code. And what can I tell you? This first half was really good, but not single one hit from the rarer part of the gallery. We would like to change that, right?
Yes, we would.
And I believe there is something. Okay, Electivire. This is not something that I was seeing. And
Ooh.
okay, and a Skyscraper VMAX. Nice, nice. We didn't have him. So Zapdos hits. Zapdos hits. Okay, so code. And pack number 2 from the second tin. Zapdos. Really like this Shaman art. Shinx, Vista. Okay, no gallery and Zappy Boy.
Sappy boy.
Well, it's better than Angry Chicken.
Angry chicken is the best
but
name.
It is one hell of an Angry Chicken, you know, this Zapdos. Ooh, hoo-hoo. And this is not a full art. I mean, it is a full art trader, but this is from the Galarian Gallery.
And you have
from the
something
rarer
else.
part. Really?
Yeah.
I have something else.
You have something else.
Wow, so Zapdos has 2 packs with double hits, and this is a Charizard V.
Yeah.
It is the same art that the Charizard from Brilliant Stars, but a different set symbol. So this tin, with the second tin of Zapdos is crazy. Okay, pack number 4. Good. Let's continue. So far 4 hits in 3 packs in this tin. Okay, Rockruff, Tangela. Okay, just Bidoof and just Wailord. Okay, Zappy Boy. Zappy
Finish.
Boy a la Angry Chicken. Let's
finish with the style.
Yeah. You either have 2 hits or you don't have hits at all. So
Seems to be the rule.
yeah, and now it's turn for 2 hits. So let's continue with strike and let's have 2 hits.
We have one.
We have one. We have Riolu and
no.
okay, but this
Ditto.
is Ditto Holo. We didn't have Ditto Holo yet. We had Reverse Holo. So yeah, please put them both to sleep. And Moltres. Moltres, pack number 1 from second Moltres tin. The code. Okay, and Moltres starts with fire energy to, you know, yeah, to make sure that it is on fire. And this is not really on fire, and this is not on fire. Lichen Rock. No, we have already seen Lichen Rocks. Okay. Okay, Moltres, you really need, you know, pools
You need to step
to
up.
compete with Zapdos.
Yes.
So Moltres. Okay, this is new. Reverse Psychic, didn't have Reverse Psychic, and Scizor. 3, so 8 in total for Moltres. Okay. Water, Girafarik, Ultra Ball, Vacuum, Chatot. Okay, Moltres, you really... Ugh. This is not it. This is not hits. This is not cards. Moltres, this is not cards. You need nice cards, and those were not cards.
Come on, they were cards. It's not what you wanted.
Yeah.
Vista marker.
Vista marker. The first Vista marker of the day. Let it be the harbinger of the first golden card of the day. Yeah. Okay. It's a harbinger of Latias. It's good enough. And the Magenta Holo. Okay. So I'm afraid Moltres is pretty far from being competitive with Zapdos, but who knows?
Who knows? If there's a golden card in here.
Yeah, golden cards or Mewtwo can change
A lot.
a lot. Okay, Radiant Chargeback, so no golden card here.
I
Okay.
tried.
Yeah, Moltres, you gave a fight. I have to
tried.
give you that. Oh, yeah. And back to our unlucky boy, back to Articuno, who has one less pack.
Yeah.
Articuno, we're keeping fingers crossed for you. We only had one rare Galarian Gallery hit so far. It's really not that good of a score. So it's your turn now to end this all, to show them all, to show us.
Mew.
Okay,
Fun.
Paras, nice start. Okay, Articuno. Let's keep on fighting, Mr. Articuno.
Yes.
Let's keep on fighting. I think the camera moved a little bit. Okay. Okay. This is the texture energy, not the reverse energy. This is pretty nice hit. Come on.
Come, baby, like my fire.
Okay. Shaman. I like this Shaman. Well.
Didn't see this one.
Yeah, so this is another trainer. I mean, full art trainer from the Galarian Gallery. Okay. So Articuno fights back.
Still fights.
Still putting up a fight.
Is it the last one? No.
No, 2 packs.
Two more
Okay,
to
so
go.
far Articuno, you know, in this round of opening, three packs, 3 hits. So let's hope that it continues to hit. And it does not continue to hit.
But you can have 2 hits in 1 pack, so let's hope that's the last one.
Yeah.
We know that the packs like to keep us, keep the tension. So,
Yeah.
So maybe there's going to be something amazing in here.
Maybe the last pack out of all of packs today.
Last pack
I
magic.
don't have a feeling like there's any magic.
Last pack magic.
Okay, Bibarel, it's not really that magic that we are looking for. And Holotapulele. Okay, guys, so that's it. We can announce that Zapdos won with the most wanted card because Zapdos had the Pikachu with a leaf.
Yes.
And after the edition, you will also see here the announcement and honor music for the winners of the other 2 categories, but we will have to calculate it later.
We can announce it here. So the winner for
the more expensive hits
is
and the winner for the more new cards to the binder is
Congratulations to the winners.
Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.